Reporting live from the Russian forests, Siberian forests. 8 questions that all Russian learners have to know the answer to. If you're ever speaking Russian to anyone, you will be asked these questions. So you have to know how to answer them. Number 1. Как вас зовут? Как вас зовут means what's your name? And the way to answer that is short. Just state your name. John or Rebecca, right? But a full answer is Меня зовут plus your name. Меня зовут John. Меня зовут Rebecca, etc. That's the first question, the most basic. Second is you might hear this. I hope you never will, but you might. Вам нужна помощь? Do you need help? Вам нужна помощь. Помощь being the main word there. If you hear the word помощь, then you know that it's asking for help. This one is a simple yes or no answer. You can say да for yes or нет for no. Full answer is да, мне нужна помощь. Yes, I need help. Or нет, мне не нужна помощь. So we add this не in the sentence, which will mean I don't need help. Why all these trees are so big I have to go under them? Let me record my video, man. Then we have the next question. Откуда вы? Oops. Откуда вы? Where are you from? Откуда means where from. Вы means you. You can again state the simple answer of the country that you're from. But I would suggest that you don't say it in your native language. Because let's say USA in Russian means nothing. We have США or America as the answers for the US. So look up the country name that you're from in Russian and learn how to say that. Full answer to the question of откуда вы is я из, I'm from, plus your country name. So я из Америки would be maybe the most common answer among our viewers. Then a very natural question is, вы давно в России? Are you in Russia for a long time? Or have you been in Russia for a long time? Давно means since a long time. Again, yes or no answer. Да, нет. A more detailed answer is давно, for a long time. Yes, I've been in Russia for a long time. Or недавно, opposite, not long, very recent. That's that question. And in fact, before we move on to the next question, if you want to learn Russian more in depth and speak Russian better than just yes or no, then join Be Fluent. We have our own app and a website where you can learn a lot. And you can learn the basics, you can learn the more advanced stuff as you go and you progress, and you will learn how to speak Russian. Not just know the grammar and the basic vocabulary, but you'll have the confidence to speak as well. Check it out with the first link in the description. We have a 3-day trial for you guys to try it out and see if you like it or not, and opt out if you don't, so there's no risks. Check us out with the first link in the description. As the conversation gets more and more intimate, you might hear a question, чем вы занимаетесь? What do you do? Чем вы занимаетесь? Typically, you answer with я работаю plus your profession. So я работаю программистом. I work as a programmer. Let's take a pause here. Or whatever your profession is, just simply say я работаю plus your profession. Of course, look it up as well, so you don't just say stuff in English, hoping that it's going to translate to Russian. Next question. Какие у вас планы? What are your plans? Now, this can be asked at a border. Maybe the officer will ask you, what are your plans in Russia? Some family members might ask, what's your plans for today, for tomorrow? Какие у вас планы? Here, I cannot give you an answer because it would depend on your actual plans. So just prepare your answer. Just think of я хочу, I want, plus whatever activity you want to do. Я хочу посмотреть на природу. I want to look at nature. It can be like that. So, какие у вас планы? Я хочу, plus your answer. The next question, very thoughtful of a Russian person, would be как самочувствие? Как самочувствие means how are you feeling. Now, this can be asked, let's say you come to Russia in the winter, and they check in on you saying, как самочувствие, how are you feeling? Is everything okay? Are you feeling fine? Are you cold? Whatever. You might experience some things like, let's say, Russian banya, which is like a sauna in Russia, and they might check in on you and say, как самочувствие, how are you feeling? Is everything all right? And the last question is, typically you'll hear this from a Russian babushka or the host of the party. They can say, все понравилось? Did you like everything? In fact, you might be asked this question when you go to a restaurant as well. When the waiter asks you, is everything okay? Did you like everything? Все понравилось? Again, yes or no. Да, нет. Or you can say, да, все понравилось. Or нет, не понравилось. But you probably won't say the last one ever, even at a restaurant, just to be safe, right? But that's all. Those are the 8 questions, 8 questions that we had for today that you need to know the answer to. And some of them you have to prepare your answer before you speak to Russians. So you might want to look it up or learn that on BeFluent website and app. Check us out with this button right here or with the link in the description, or keep on watching our YouTube videos with this next one. It's up to you.